Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the Find My Phone feature on the Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch. Works really well, pretty similar to other smartwatches out there. The one negative I will say is in order for this to work, you have to have the Zepp app running in the background on your cell phone. Other watches like Garmin, Apple, Cinto, as long as you've got a Bluetooth connection, it will work. With the Amazfit, you have to have the app running, and that's negative. You're actually going to find that with a lot of things on this watch. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. The one thing that is kind of cool is they give you two different ways you can access this. One of the ways is I can swipe down from the top and I can add it to my control menu. It's going to be this little top right icon if you have it in your control menu. If you don't want it in your control menu, you can always access it from your app listing. Under your apps, you'll see an app called Find My Phone. That's the icon. Simply click on it. Not sure if you can hear it or not, but my cell phone is vibrating. I can also press once you find your phone, simply click the X. And that's the Find My Phone feature. Again, works really well other than the app open in the background, but that's a look at the Find My Phone feature on the Amazfit Active 2. I hope the video helped.